How to create a Snapchat group. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can create a Snapchat group, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create a Snapchat group, just open the Snapchat application and then come to the chat icon from the bottom. Now when you come to the chat page over here, tap on this little blue icon at the bottom right, that is the editing icon. When you tap on it, here you'll find the option called new group, right? So just tap on the new group option. Now first, just make sure to enter your group name over here. I'll just make sure to enter a group name. As I entered the group name, now what I will do is I will select the people that I want to add to this specific group. So I'll just go ahead and then add a few number of people. You can actually add up to 100 people in one specific group. Now just tap on the chat with group option. As you do that, you can see that our Snapchat group has been successfully created. Now if you want, you can send snaps in this group. You can go ahead and exchange snaps with each other. You can invite more people to it, and you can add some members and remove the members as an administrator. And that's all it takes to make Snapchat groups. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.